Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how to create the new dramatic moments trend which is going around on TikTok, where creators are adding the BGC drama effect soundtrack to their TikTok videos. And it goes like this.
Friends are like, why don't you liposuction my girlfriend? Why don't I liposuction you? Look at that big hairy belly of yours. I'd love to take this liposuction cannula and start sticking it in and sucking the fat out of it. Sign up, tough guy.
So open your TikTok app. Tap on Discover. Now search for BGC drama effect. Select any video from that search result. Now tap on the soundtrack at the bottom of that video. Now on this screen, this is where people get it wrong. If you tap on use this sound, you'll not be able to hear your recorded audio and you cannot even adjust the volume of that video. You need to first add it to your favorites by tapping at the top. Now go back all the way to the TikTok home area. Tap on the plus icon to create a video. Here you can record your own video or upload a video. Make sure it is only for 15 seconds as the audio is only 15 seconds long. Now tap on sounds, then tap on favorite. Tap on BGC drama, and then here you can adjust the volume. Once you're happy, you can add your stickers and text and then post your video. And there you go guys, that is how to create the dramatic moments video on the TikTok app. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.